Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change currency in Battle.net. So do you want to shop in your preferred currency on Battle.net to make purchases easier and avoid surprises at checkout? Because that can be really frustrating and annoying. Alright, so today I'm just going to show you how to change that quickly on Battle.net. The first step I'd like you to take is to open your browser and go to Battle.net and log in with your username and password, or using any account credential. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage that is just beautiful, colorful, sweet. Now from here, once you're logged in, click on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner, or just hover your mouse to that area and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu, including account settings, wish list, my gifts, redeem code, change battle tag, and logout. So just go ahead and click on account settings, and that's going to walk you right into the account settings page. From there, I'm going to show you what to do. In here, head over to the left navigation menu. Once you head over to the left navigation menu, so from here, head over to the left navigation menu. You're going to find a couple of options, including account overview. All right, you have account details, you have parental controls, games and subscriptions, connections, download Battle.net. So what I would like you to do is to select account details. Once you click on account details, all right, so look for the section that is labeled country/region. So here, open it. Now once you open this, go ahead and click on update to change your country and your region. So once you're able to change your country and your region, then you will see that the currency will automatically change. But then I would like you to note that you cannot change your country region from here. You have to follow the prompt here. You have to contact customer support to update your country and send a ticket to them and let them know that you also like to change your currency. All right, because if you change the country, then it's just going to automatically change the currency for you. So that's pretty much how it works. I'm going to go over that again. Head over to account details, come over here, click on update and select country and follow the prompt to send a message to customer support, letting them know that you would like to change your country and your currency. So once that is done, refresh the Battle.net store page to see prices updated in your chosen currency. All right, so keep in mind that changing your region may affect available games and promotions. Currency options depend on your Battle.net account region, and if you don't see your preferred currency, your account region might need to be changed. Changing region has more steps and sometimes restrictions, so check Blizzard's policies. So I will go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.